Hello friends, in this video I will be showing you how you can search for specific text in all the files in your VS Code project. So here you can see that this is my project and there are a lot of folders, a lot of files. So if you want to search for specific text in any of these files, what you have to do is that you have to go to the folder under which you have to search. So if you are not sure, you can search on the top directory of your project. For example, here right click and then click on find in folder. So you can go to any nested folder and then do that. For example, I want to search only in this block, so right click and then here you can see find in folder. So just click there and then you will notice that files to include, this option is coming and it has already selected that block folder, and here you can search for the term that you want to search. So you can see that there are two files here. It is saying two results in two files. That means there are two files where this YouTube word is found, and it is also showing like in each file there is one occurrence of this particular term. And there are other settings also that you can do. For example, you can match the case, you can match the whole word, or you can match the regular expression as well. If you want to replace this word with some other word, you can put the replace term here and then click on replace all. That's it. Thanks for watching.